Quickly, one more thing I want to share, how beautiful is the creation of God. How beautiful it is. Look at that. What nature can give me, nothing else can beat that. I mean, look, everywhere you look at the colors of the trees. Look how life is so beautiful. And when you think that you don't find anything to be grateful for, just look at the sky. Look at I'm in love with the clouds, obviously. But life is so beautiful, and everywhere we look, it is just pure beauty. Nature is beautiful. Humans are beautiful. We are beautiful. Everything is perfect. I send you so much love. Mwah.